We're gonna do an unboxing and show you what to expect when you get these in the mail. Now, I specifically got the small size, which is perfect for my daughter as well as my wife, who gets Raynauds in her hands. So this is how they come, like so. And of course, it does come with a charger. These two ports go right into the battery packs. Comes with a little packet. It's not a snack. Make sure that keeps things nice and dry. Of course, we have the manual, and then lastly, we have a nice little carrying case right there. But you don't care about that. You want to know what actually comes in here. These are the gloves. We've got our tags right there. When you get these, you're going to be like, okay, I can kind of feel something in there. That is the battery pack. So they keep them somewhat, you just have to rip that open like so, and then you will see that little zippered compartment, and out pops the battery. And the other glove is exactly the same thing. So you're gonna pull the battery out, it comes disconnected, and I would recommend charging them before you go out. And you can see that little port aligns with, if you reach in this pocket, there is the cable, and this is how you put them together like so. And simply slide it right back into the pocket, zip it on up, and we're good to go. Now, in terms of material, it is this microfiber and Lycra. You can see this grip right there. And these are much more lightweight compared to the heavy duty ski gloves. If I were to try to pull these into my hands like so, it is actually touch sensitive, so I can start and stop the device on which I'm filming right there. And it's nice and grippy, it's breathable, highly recommended.